everyone, I'm Xavier Williams, the second level in the class Video, Sound, and Music Production at Central Monco High School. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to put a battery in the video camera. Make sure that this sticker is in the front, and this is the right way to for this battery to be inserted into the camera, and make sure this part is pushed down, push the battery, and then you pull it up to like 95% up. Make sure you hear click. There you go. And it's kind of hard at first. It's like riding a bike for the first time, but once you keep doing it, it starts to get a little more simple and easy. To pull out the battery out of the video camera, all you gotta do, you see this little switch, all you gotta do is push it, and then just pull the battery out, and there you go.